People talk and tell you what you wanna hear. Do you really need another souvenir? Superheroes tend to disappear. Fame is just a trick, you look in empty glass, leave you feeling thirsty and so very fast. Chase your tail, but baby, it'll be a lie. I don't know, but it's been said, your heart is stronger than your head, and this location is my home. Rivers get connected so much stronger than expected. Well, sick love comes to wash us away. Reasons of perspective, higher vision gets corrected, and sick love is my modern cliche. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making Sick Love by Red Hot Chili Peppers. I'll show you how to play the song in the original key, so you can practice it along with the original recording. So in this tutorial I'll first show you the basic chords that you need for the song, then I'll show you the structure of the song as a matter of chords. After that I'll come a little bit closer and I'll show you how to do the riff that you just heard in the intro, and after that we'll do the play along. So let's get right to it. Let me come a little bit closer to show you the chords first. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of A minor. Then we need the chord of D, which I'm grabbing like this. Maybe for you it will be easier like this. But also, in the riff, we'll need to grab it right here, which is D major chord with a bar. So you're barring the A and E string on the 5th fret, middle finger on the C string of the 6th fret, and your ring finger, we won't use it, but usually the chord is on the 7th fret of the G string. Okay, so you'll need to know both of these variations of the chord. Then we need the chord of G major 7, which is just barring the A, E and C string on the 2nd fret. Then we have the chord of C major 7. Okay. Then we need the chord of E minor. Then we need the chord of G, normal G, usual G. And finally we need the chord of C. So we have 3 different parts in the whole song. And the first one is used for the verse and the chorus. And it's A minor, then D, then G major 7, then C major 7. And after that, A minor, D, E minor, twice. The strumming pattern that I'm doing throughout the song when I'm not doing the riff is down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. And the riff is used only in the verse. The chords have these same chords, and I'm doing the strumming pattern there. Then we have this little refrain, which is, I don't know, but it's been said, your heart is stronger than your head, and this location is my home. Okay, so one thing I have to point out here is the quick change between G to G major 7. I'm doing down, 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 down on both of them, okay? So the strumming pattern changes a little bit, but you know, you're not supposed to follow these strumming patterns very closely anyway. And also during the solo, we are doing C, D, E minor, G, 3 times. I don't have the melody of the solo right now in my head, but it was... So you're doing these 3 times. And on the 4th time, you're not changing to G, you're keeping E minor 2 times. And after that, you go to the chord. So we start with hitting 1 time A minor, and then with your middle finger, you're going on the 2nd fret of the C string, and you're doing 2 to 4 slide like this. Okay? And then with your pointing finger, you're barring on the 3rd fret, the A and E string. and you're doing E, A. So for now we have. After that we're hitting the C string again, and we're moving from 4th to 6th. And again we are barring on the 5th fret with the pointing finger, the E and A string, but this time we're hitting it together. And I'm hammering on the 7th fret, and I'm pulling off after that. And then I'm moving it to the E string 7th fret, and then A string 5th fret. Okay, so for now, slowly. And then we're going to G major 7, which is pretty much just barring on the 2nd fret the A in C string. And after we hit it once, we're sliding this to 1st fret and sliding it back to 2nd fret. So this is what we're aiming for. Alright? And after that we're going to C major 7 when we're doing down, up, down, up, down, up 3 times. And immediately after that we're hitting the A minor again for the 2nd line. And it starts the same. And now the difference is here. After the hammer on and pulling off, I'm just hitting the A string on the 7th fret again. And I'm going to E minor. Hitting the chord once, and then I'm doing C string, A string, a little pause after the A string, and I'm doing E, C, A, pause, E, C, A, pause, E, C, A. Alright? So, slowly the whole thing. And again. Alright. And that's pretty much all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, you can use this YouTube feature to slow down the video, and that way it will be easier. And let's see what we'll do. my ukulele tutorial for C clef. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Goodbye.